Well, the two racers that just seem to not be able to get away from each other this year, Justin Barcia and Jason Anderson, have contacted again. Right here, starting it where Jason Anderson does get past Barcia. You can say, maybe pushes him a little high, but nothing dirty there. And then a few corners later, there's this, which, if you listen to Justin Barcia, you said he was going for it, and it's a 180-degree corner. You kind of got to go for the pass, and the question becomes, in the comments below, tell me, do you think that's dirty? Obviously, these two have had a couple run-ins this year, and Justin Barcia has had a couple run-ins with other people this year. But the question is, when is it dirty? When is it a racing incident? And when is it just you've got to pass for places? You're racing for points. You're racing for championships. You're racing for money. Obviously, you don't want to be taking people out. But like he says in his interview later, he's on the brakes. Obviously, he does take the line away. Jason Anderson could have gone around him, could have checked up. And this is from, obviously, earlier, where one of their earlier incidents where he took Jason Anderson high and out, you can say. He did end up getting a three-point penalty and a $3,000 fine from the AMA for this, so he didn't get away scot-free. He's already on probation, so you kind of got to say, where is the AMA falling on this? Because $3,000 for these guys, yes, it's a lot of money, but when you're making the amount of money they are, and with the the bonus he got for the podium, he probably doesn't get very much. And he did say in his interview, which you're going to listen to right here, it's a racing incident, and he was going to do it, and he's not going to change anything, but you can listen to his own words now.
Because it was a racing incident, and I told these guys, I wouldn't change anything. I'd do the same thing I did. I, took the line, and I don't know. Obviously, he didn't see me, so what am I supposed to do? We're racing for money, and it wasn't. I don't think it was dirty. I went in there. Those corners are difficult. You go for it or you don't go for it. And I seen an opportunity. I went for it. I wasn't going 100 miles per hour trying to clean the guy out. I was on my brakes. So, he could have turned down harder, or he didn't see me. It's just that kind of situation.
The nice thing coming about the fine, though, any money from fines goes straight towards the Alpine medical team budget, whatever you want to call it. Again, tell me in the comments below. Do you think this is dirty? Do you think the fine, penalty, whatever, being on probation is enough, or it's just rough racing? Whatever it is, tell me in the comments below, and I'll see y'all later.